Dear students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the important part of carbonyl compound chapter, which is the structure and properties and uses of benzaldehyde and cinnamaldehyde. So we will see what are benzaldehyde and cinnamaldehyde. In earlier classes we have seen the structure and uses of formaldehyde and paraldehyde, which are aliphatic aldehydes. Now today we are going to discuss and know about the structure of aromatic aldehyde, that is benzaldehyde and cinnamaldehyde. We will see the structure and uses of benzaldehyde. So benzaldehyde is aromatic aldehyde which contain aromatic ring benzene and aldehydic group. If you see the benzaldehyde, the molecular formula of benzaldehyde is C6H5CHO. It is an organic compound consisting of a benzene ring and a formyl group. It is a simplest aromatic aldehyde and it is one of the most industrially useful aldehyde. The systematic name of benzaldehyde is benzene carbonyl. Now if you see the properties of benzaldehyde, so benzaldehyde is a colorless liquid with a characteristic almond-like odor or smell. Its boiling point is 179 degree temperature. It is soluble in ethanol and diethyl ether, where it is not soluble in water. Benzaldehyde react with formaldehyde to give benzyl alcohol. Now, if you see the reaction of benzaldehyde reaction with formaldehyde in presence of base, it gives the benzyl alcohol and sodium formate as a products. Now, if you see the preparation of benzaldehyde, so benzaldehyde can be prepared from the oxidation of corresponding toluene. Toluene is a methyl benzene. So when toluene undergo oxidation in the presence of air and diluted with nitrogen to prevent oxidation at 350 degree in the presence of vanadium pentoxide as a catalyst. So in the presence of vanadium pentoxide, when toluene undergo oxidation in the presence of air, it converts into aldehyde and gives water. So methyl group converted into aldehyde, it is the oxidation reaction. Now if you see the uses of benzaldehydes, so benzaldehyde has many uses. The first and important use of benzaldehyde is commonly employed to confirm almond flavors, foods and scented products. So it is used in the almond foods and scented products. It is used as a perfume. It is used in cosmetics. Benzaldehyde is also used cheaply as a precursor to the organic compound because it is very cheap, readily available. And from this compound, various organic compounds can be synthesized, prepared, etc., ranging from the pharmaceutical to plastic additives. So benzaldehyde is also a precursor to certain acridine dyes, means it is used for coloring. Benzaldehyde also used in the preparation of cinnamaldehyde, mandelic acid and styrene, etc. Furthermore, benzaldehyde is also used in the preparation of aniline dyes, malachite green. It is also used, benzaldehyde also used as a bee repellent. It is used as a to make bees to attract. Now, the second part, the cinnamaldehyde. The cinnamaldehyde is also a aldehyde, but it is a aromatic aldehyde with side chain aldehyde. So it is a benzene ring with side chain with double bond. It is conjugated aldehyde. The structure of cinnamaldehyde is, it is an organic compound again with formula C6H5CH double bond CHCHO. Its IUPAC name is 3-phenyl propanol. It occurs naturally in the predominant of trans E-isoform form and it gives cinnamon in its flavor and odor. So it is a very useful food flavoring compound. It is a yellow, pale yellow viscous liquid and present in the bark of the cinnamon tree and other species of the genus Cinnamomum. Now, cinnamaldehyde properties, its molecular formula is C9H8O. It is a pale yellow color, viscous liquid with boiling point 252 degree. It has cinnamon-like odor. Furthermore, cinnamaldehyde is soluble in ether and chloroform. It is insoluble in petroleum ether, mixable with alcohol, oils, etc. Now, preparation of cinnamaldehyde. So, cinnamaldehyde can be prepared from benzaldehyde. When acetaldehyde reacted, it undergo dehydration and gives cinnamaldehyde as a product, alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde with benzene. Now, uses of cinnamaldehyde. The cinnamaldehyde is used in various flavored in chewing gum, as a flavored in chewing gum, ice cream, candy, liquids and beverages. So it is used as a flavoring agent. It is also used in some perfume of natural sweets or fruity scents. So it is used as a fragrance compound in natural or sweet or fruity scent in perfume. Cinnamaldehyd has also been tested as a safe and effective insecticide against mosquito larvae. So it is act as a insecticide effect. Trans-cinnamaldehyd works as a potent fungicide, so it is also fumigant. It acts as a fumigant. Cinnamaldehyde is also known as a corrosive inhibitor for steel and other ferrous alloys in corrosion fluids such as hydrochloric acid. So when cinnamaldehyde with HCl treated to corroded metals, it acts as a corrosive agent. The compound Cinnamaldehyd also added a number of cosmetics and home care products to improve their odor. They are such as include deodorants, detergents, mouthwash, perfumes, soaps, and toothpaste, etc. So, cinnamaldehyde is been used to prepare these compounds, these products, healthcare product, skin product, home care products to improve the perfumes. So, with this, we have completed today two important aspects of benzaldehyde structure, properties, and cinnamaldehyde structure and properties. We will see in next class. Thank you very much.